Raising your credit score by 100 points in 2026 is possible, but it depends on what's currently hurting your score and how quickly you fix it. First, pay all your bills on time. Payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score, so even one late payment can lower it. Consistent on-time payments can quickly improve your score over a few months. Next, reduce your credit card balances. Try to keep your credit utilization below 30% and ideally under 10%. If your cards are maxed out, paying them down can give you a fast score boost. Then, check your credit report for errors, get reports from major bureaus, and dispute any wrong information like incorrect late payments, duplicates, or accounts you don't recognize. You should also avoid opening new credit accounts unless necessary, because each hard inquiry can slightly lower your score. If you have old credit cards, keep them open because longer credit history helps improve your score over time. Finally, consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's good credit account, which can help boost your score if their account has a strong payment history. So in most cases, you can raise your credit score by 100 points in a few months if you focus on payments, lowering debt, and fixing errors.